patients who's traveled here from Alabama, right?
Yes.
And she is actually a nurse who's been suffering with back pain for years. And she wants to tell you a little bit about her story, about how she found Deuk Spine Institute. She's just one day post-op with the Deuk laser disc repair. How are you feeling today?
I feel great for the first time in years. Like when I stand up, I don't have any pressure in my lower back. All my leg pain is gone. And I don't have a headache for the first time in 5 weeks.
Wow. So you feel great because your back pain's gone?
Yes.
How long did you have back pain for?
Years, but I had a car accident in 2010, which made everything that I had previously going on worse. And then for a year and a half, I had searing pain down my left leg. And then I was Googling one day and found your website.
Good. And what impressed you about the Deuk Spine Institute?
It is minimally invasive. It does not require the hospitalization, massive, incisions or overnight stays, and that was important to me as a nurse. I see a lot of people who have had all of that done and it has not been successful, and so I was not interested at all in a fusion, and this seemed like it would take care of the problem and be minimally invasive with great success.
So you came here, you first did an MRI review, and we checked out your MRI and looked at your back and figured out that it was really 2 discs that were causing the problem at the bottom of your spine. The most common 2 discs that cause back pain, by the way, the L4-5, L5-S1. And we determined that you're a good candidate through our process. And you can see here in the video that we're inside the disc cleaning out the tear that was causing your pain, and there's herniated disc in there that's removed with the laser. All this was done with a 1.7 millimeter incision. Isn't that amazing?
Yes.
And do you have neurosurgeons at your hospital offering the endoscopic spine surgery that we do?
We do not have neurosurgeons at my hospital. We ship out to someone else,
They don't do the endoscopic surgery?
They do not.
They're
No.
more in the old-fashioned fusion with screws and rods or artificial discs. Major invasive surgery is very painful, long recovery, low chance of success. Anything you want to share with your audience before we wrap this up?
I think if you're having back pain, it is absolutely worth having the free MRI review. What can you lose? And you can gain a lot. Dr. Deuk, I'm so impressed. I haven't known you that long, but very impressed with his knowledge and his guidance. I don't think he will guide you into anything that you don't need, which is so important these days, and your life can make a 180 turnaround for the better. So do it.
Yeah, I appreciate that. And I think I was telling a story about residency when I was doing your surgery. It was talking about nurses and how as a neurosurgery resident, you start out and you don't really know what's going on. You get to the ICU and it's very sick patients and you need help, and the nurses really saved me on many occasions with the patients, like telling me what I needed to do to take care of the patients.
We try not to be too bossy.
No, but I love nurses. I've got 2 in my family. My mom is a nurse, my sister's a nurse, so they hold a special place in my heart.
Nice, thank you.
All right, you're welcome. Congratulations on your new back. Take care of it, let it heal.
All right.
And hopefully we'll never see you again.
I would love that. Sounds good.
All right.